Sorry folks, had to make sure I'm filming. This is Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. Going to take up the Arrows F-86 Sabre again. Fly high and fly high rates, which is 100% throws with 15% expo. And takeoff flaps are in. Running an HRB 2600 4S center. Here, let's do a nice slow pass here. Boy, the gnats are bad right now.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Flaps up. Landing flaps.
All right. Yeah, gnats are bad right now. Hey, grass hops. Unintentional grass hops, but grass hops nonetheless. Okay. Sorry about the sun.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, I've got no wind at all to speak of. Takeoff flaps.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Here.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Full speed.
Landing flaps.
You're lined up. Perfect, 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 perfect. All right, take off.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
And I'll be honest, I know I just keep doing landings and takeoffs, but that's what I love doing. Coming at about an 8 throttle now. Oh, we can do better than that.
Flaps up.
Sorry about the sun.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
Not bad. I'll take that. Still got 1 minute.
Flaps up.
Do one more takeoff and landing.
Landing flaps.
Oh, couldn't be more perfect. All right. Well, there you go, folks. That is the Arrows F-86 Sabre, or Sabre. as Nate on RC Sailors like to say. All right, motor off. Let's see what kind of life. All right, I flew for a solid 3 minutes. See what kind of life we got left on this HRB battery. All right, 14%. 3 minutes is as much as I want to push it. All right, you can see where I've got that right in the middle of them straps. I haven't moved the straps. That's the way they came stock. So a 2600 fits in there just perfect. You may have to pull a little bit of this structure foam out for your canopy to fit, but that's okay. Well, there you go, folks. That is the F-86 Aero Sabre or Sabre. She's got flaps and full all 4-channel control, and hey, can't say anything bad about her. She's a great plane. I can say nothing but good things. She's in the Jolly Roger livery, and awesome jet. Thank you for flying. Thank you for flying Fat Guy Airlines. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, friends. And then have some planes for fun. Bye-bye.